Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss do question answer of chapter 5, the Narayanpur incident, that is written by Shashi Deshpande. So without any delay, let's get started to the question answer. So first of all, we will discuss exercise A, choose the right answer. Question number first. Babu felt Amma mind was far away because Amma was very quiet. Amma was referring to future event. The burnt roti was of no consequence to Amma. Well, the answer is correct answer is option B. Amma was referring to future event. Question number 2. Babu was woken up by the sound of loud explosion outside his room. B. By the scraping of a chair. C. The sound of the front door being opened. So option C is correct. The sound of the front door being opened. The full form of AICC is option B. It is correct. All India Congress Committee. Now question number D. The Narayanpur incident present before us. Option A, an adventure. Option B, a nationalist movement. Option C, a civil war. Well, this incident present before option B, a nationalist movement. So we have done exercise A. Let's move to the exercise B. Answer the question. Well, question number 1. What was so unusual about the evening to bring about the comment something was up? Well, for this question I have written the answer. As you can see here, first answer I have written. In the evening, Appa had attended meeting with the visitors and it had been talking for nearly 2 hours. Amma was waiting long time for Appa to come and join them for dinner. Now let's move to question number 2. Why did Babu feel that Mohan was lucky? Well, answer here I have written. Babu felt that Mohan was lucky because Mohan was his elder brother and he was participated in everything that had occurred. Question number 3. What did Babu want Mohan to tell him? Well, answer is Babu wanted Mohan to tell him about the matter that was going on. The matter was that they were waiting for news for what is being decided in AICC session, that means All India Congress Committee session held in Bombay. Now question number 4. What did Babu see when he ran out to the small hall? Well, when Babu ran out to the small hall, then he saw that his elder brother Mohan, Appa and Appa friend, who was the editor of the local newspaper, were laughing and talking about something. What resolution did the AICC pass? Well, the answer is the resolution that AICC passed is the AICC, the people in the AICC session have passed the resolution asking the British to quit India. Well, we have done exercise B. Now let's see exercise C. Read the line and answer the question. So in this question, it had provided a line. We have to read the line and find the answer. Question number first. All those people and all that talk, is something happening? Question A. Who is the speaker and who are the words addressed to? Well, the answer is Babu is the speaker and he addressed these words to his elder brother Mohan. Question number B. What is the talk or the subject of discussion about? Well, the answer, the talk or the subject of discussion about the incident that had occurred in the evening when Appa was conducting meeting with the visitors. last question of question C. What do you think is happening? Well, the answer is I think that was not usual incident when Appa conducted meeting with all the visitors. Now let's see the question number 2. News came very early, much earlier than they had expected. Well, the answer you can see uh, the news came early that the people attended AICC session have passed a resolution asking the British to quit India. Second question, what was the reaction to the news? Well, after hearing the news, they became happy. What would be the consequences of the news? Well, the answer is the new the consequences of the news would be that they had decided to be a part of nationalist movement. Now let's see question number 3. Here is a mantra. Question A, who is the speaker and to whom are the words addressed? Well, answer is Dinkar Kaka is the speaker and he addressed the words to the family members. Question number B, what is the mantra? Well, mantra is do or die. This mantra had given back the father of nation Mahatma Gandhi that time when he had initiated the movement Quit India movement in 1942. Last question, question C, whom would the mantra impact and how? Well, the mantra had impacted to all family members as we can see in the chapter. Dinkar Kaka voice was choked, Amma wiped her eyes with the end of her sari and Appa looked serious. Now let's get started. Exercise D, think and answer. Well, what thought do you, question number 1, what thought do you think kept Amma preoccupied? Well, the answer is Amma also knew that something extraordinary incident will be happen in upcoming days, but she kept herself busy doing household chores. Now, question number 2, who do you think gave the call for do or die? What is the significance of this statement? Well, the answer is Mahatma Gandhi had given the slogan that is do or die while protesting Quit India movement. Its significance that we will do or die, we will not live to see the perpetration of slavery. Last question, question number 3. How patriotic do you think Mohan is? Give evidence from the story to support your answer. Well, Mohan was very patriotic. Okay, as we see in this story, he took participated in the meeting with his father, and when he got the news about passing the resolution asking the British to quit India, then he was very happy. This incident showed the patriotism of Mohan. So we have finished all the question answer. I I hope that nobody will face any problem regarding in this chapter question answer. So we have finished all the thing. I have given already explanation and question answer done in this video. Next class we will start new chapter. So basically this is the Narayanpur incident took place before the Quit India movement in uh, in 1942, and this movement it was initiated by Mahatma Gandhi, and during this movement Gandhi ji warned the British to quit India on the 8th of August 1942. But after warning the British, next day Gandhi ji and some of the prominent leaders are put in jail. So that's why the people of the country right in protest officially started Quit India movement in 1942. and this incident it had written by Shashi Deshpande. She was a well-known Indian writer, and she had written many novels, short story, and one of the most famous uh, novel Sahitya Academy Award for her novel in uh, 1990, published in 1990.